Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing on the most frequently asked SQL interview question and answers. The questions are displayed on the screen. So for this question and how to achieve it, we'll discuss on this video. So let's navigate to the SQL Server Management Studio. In the left hand side, you could see the database. These are the system database. So I wanted to create a new database. Syntax will be like create, create database, and we have to give the name of our choice. I'll be giving Isha BNS as my database. Once it is done, we have to click on execute. Then this command will get executed successfully. So after command get completed, on the left hand side you can see the created database. So if it is not reflecting, then you have to refresh and you have to check, it will get created. Here you can see the database name as Isha BNS. This got created. Now next I wanted to create a table under my Isha BNS database. So I have selected the Isha BNS on the left hand side upper filter, and then started with the syntax like create a table and table name of your choice, open bracket. Here we have to pass the columns like id, it should be integer, and I want this to be a primary key column. Key column means it will not accept the duplicates. And next will be value, and that should be integer. So once preparing the query, we have to click on execute. Once we execute, again here you can see our table will get created. So whenever we are executing any query, it will give the output message in the below command. I mean in the below space. So here you can see the number table got created with the columns ID and value. Here under the keys also you would find the primary key generated. This is how we can create a database and table. Now let's get started with the queries like if you wanted to like inserting value. So now we have the table, right? For the table, if you want to do some kind of sorting or some kind of checking, then we should have some values in that particular table. So that is why we have to insert the values to that particular table. For inserting the table, the syntax will be insert into table name, and here we have to pass the column names. In this table I'm having two columns, and for these two columns I have to pass the value. So that is why I have given id comma value, and under values we have to give the values which you wanted to insert into that particular table for those id and value columns. Hmm? So let me copy this instead of writing one by one to make it easy. So here after 1 2 3 and 4, next 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So now we are done with the id column. Let's update it for value column also. So here I wanted to combination of even and odd, positive and negative, right? So that is why I'm giving negative and positive values with even and odd value. So minus 5 0, 25 minus 20 and minus 40. Next for the 7 will give us 10. Next it will be like minus 35. Next for 9 id minus 25 and minus 15. So now I have all the values in the script. Once I execute this, I will get error because here you can see I have not passed the comma. So here it is showing incorrect syntax near 3. So we have to give the commas after each entry. So now if we execute, it will get successful, and it will show the how many rows got affected. It means 10 rows got affected. It means 10 rows are added. So for checking that, we have to give the syntax as select star from our table name. If we give this and execute, or we select this star from numbers and then execute the query, it will show all the like data which we have in that particular table. So here you can see id and value column along with the data. Now we have created a database, we have created table, and we have inserted the values also. Now we wanted to prepare a query for getting only positive numbers. We can achieve this by giving where condition, like select star from table. This is my table where based on the column I'm taking. So I want the value column because we have positive and negative all here itself now. So that is why I'm taking value which is greater than 0. So value greater than 0. So once I select this and execute, it will show only the positive numbers from the resultant set of the table. So I'll show you that as well. So it is showing completely. Let me sort it. Okay. So this is clumsy, no? Okay. Here you can see value 10. Let me sort it by giving order by value. So I'm sorting on value column and descending. So if we will not give any ascending or descending, by default it will take ascending only. Let me give it as a descending. So in this way we will be having the values, like whenever we are writing any something, so before 0 it will be negative numbers, after 0 it will be positive numbers. So that is why we have given value greater than 0 for getting the positive numbers over here. So that is why in the resultant set for this value greater than 0 column, I have got the positive numbers only. The same way for the negative numbers also, we will be just making a small minimal changes. So it means the select star from numbers, which is my table name, where value and the above for getting positive number we have given greater than 0, right? For getting the negative number we have to give below, I mean less than 0. So less than 0 will get all the negative numbers. Let me show you with the table also. Okay, here in the first result you will get the table, all the data which is present in the table, and the second one will be getting the data with the negative numbers only. Here you can see -5, -20, all these are the negative numbers only we used to get it. In this way we can achieve positive and negative numbers. If we want the value which is having 0, we have to use a syntax like select start from numbers where value equals to 0. So for greater than 0 it will be positive numbers it will be fetching, and if we give the value less than 0 it will fetch only the negative numbers, and if the value is equals to 0 then we will get only the values which are having 0. So you can see in the resultant set. So here on the fourth row only we used to have 1 0, that is why we got only 1 0 in the resultant set. So now we have the positive, negative and 0 values. Next it will be like if you want all this in one query, let's say I want the positive, negative, 0, all these numbers values in, I mean I just wanted to know whether it is positive or negative. So that I'll be making use of one more column in which I will have the value as for based on the value type. For example, I'm having first row as 25 for the value column. So whether it is positive or negative, it is positive, right? So for achieving that I'm making use of one more query like select id comma value, which gives all the data which is present in the number table, and I'm making use of a case statement over here, like case when value is greater than 0 then it will fetch only positive records, when value is less than 0 then it will give negative records, else it will give 0. So else 0. Next end as. So I'm just giving a column name over here like else end as number comma underscore type. So here by this way we can achieve this from the table links, from where we get all this column from table, right? Once we execute this, we'll get three particular columns. In this three column, first two columns like id and value, it will be same from which is present in the table, but in addition we have added one more column called number type based on the value. So here, if value is greater than 0, it will give the positive records. Value is less than 0, then negative records. And if the value is 0, then it will show 0. The same way. Here you can see, right? First is positive, negative, 0. In this way, we can achieve this. And next, now we are done with positive and negative numbers. Let's start with the even and odd numbers. So first, for querying the even numbers. So how to query the even numbers? Let me select my database Isha BNS. So this will be as simple as the positive and negative numbers only. So here what we'll be doing means select star from numbers. So I'm taking the same table which I've used for positive and negative number video. So here select star from number where value percentile 2 equals to 0. It means the values which are divisible by 2, that values only I will be getting in the resultant set. It means here you can see under the value, once I execute, I could see only the even numbers over here, right? So let me show you. Select star from number table, order by value, or let me take id descending. Okay, so I'm sorting on top of a id column. So here you can see 10, 10, and 0, 20, 40. So these will be the even number, so that is why in the resultant set I'm getting only these number. If you wanted to execute, if I want only even numbers in the id column, that also I can make it here. Instead of value, if I give id, then you can see in the id column you will get only the even numbers. So this is how we can get the even numbers from a selected list. Next, pairing for odd numbers. So this will be mostly same, so that is why let me copy the same and paste it over here. Here again, select star from number where id percentile 2 not equals to 0, which is not equals to 0 means which is not divisible by 2. Obviously, it will give the odd numbers. So that is why based on the id column I have given the where condition. So that is why I'm getting the odd numbers in the id column only, like 1, 3, 5, 7, and 10. Okay, let me give a value column and click on execute. Here you can see on the value, you can see the values which are like -5, -15, 25. So these are the odd numbers. So we can also give like greater than or less than symbol for achieving this. It will also use for not equals to 0 only. So in this way we can fetch the even and odd number. Now let's query for positive and even numbers. Okay, so here positive and even numbers. So again we'll be using the same query, but here we'll be using some condition called end condition in the where. And operator will be there now. So where select star from numbers where value. So on top of value column only I'm taking, because positive and negative will be having in this column only, like where value greater than 0. So value greater than 0, it will give all the positive numbers, and value percentile 2 equals to 0, which gives even numbers, a combination of positive and even numbers we used to get it. So let me query this and show you. So as mentioned, for value percentile to even greater than 0, it will be positive. Let me query this, execute. Here you can see under the value we got only positive and even numbers. Even though there are some even numbers, but those are under negative, so that is why it is not fetching. So here we got only the value. So let's check from the main table. Select star from numbers ordered by value descending. Let me execute this. Execute. So here you can see the positive and even number. Here I have given percentile to equal to 0 and value greater than 0. Not if I give greater than or equal to 0, we might have get 0 as well. Okay, only 10 is there, so that is why we got the 10 in the resultant set. So in the same way, the query for negative and odd numbers. So just now we have checked for positive and even numbers. Now let's check for the negative and odd numbers. So I'm using the same query, just minimal changes we need to do over here also. So instead of value greater than 0 for getting the negative numbers, we need to give value less than 0 and percentile to not equals to 0. If we execute this, we will get the resultant set like negative and odd numbers. Value less than 0, it will give the negative, and percentile 2 not equals to 0 will give the odd numbers. So here you can see all the negative numbers we used to have over here, and which is not divisible by 2, that only we will be getting in the resultant set from the value column. Here we cannot make use of id column because we are not having any negative numbers over here. We are having only positive number. That is why I have applied on the value column only. So in this way we can achieve all this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you all.